Claude Code token efficiency is mostly a context management problem. In long chats, the model spends nearly all of its budget rereading old conversation history instead of processing the newest message. That creates a token compound effect. A first message might cost about 500 tokens, but by message 30, the per message cost can climb dramatically because the whole history keeps traveling with every turn. The visible chat is only part of the load. System prompts, MCP servers, and active files can quietly reload every turn, adding invisible context bloat that drains the window before you notice. When the context window gets overloaded, instructions in the middle are easier to miss. That is the loss in the middle problem. Important guidance can be present, but less available to the model. The first hygiene habit is to clear and batch. Use clear between unrelated tasks, and combine related instructions into a single focused message instead of stretching them across many turns. Second, keep system files lean. A compact Claude Markdown file reduces baseline cost every turn, because those instructions do not need to be huge to be useful. Third, use heavy refactors strategically. Schedule long, expensive work for off-peak windows when possible, and start those sessions with a clean, narrow context. The takeaway is simple: clear stale context, batch instructions, slim down always loaded files, and time the biggest jobs carefully. Better context hygiene makes Claude Code cheaper, faster, and easier to steer.